So Lisa has a certain amount of money, but we don't know how much that is, so we're going to use a variable. Then she spent $39 of it. So she's decreased her amount by $39. And it says that she has 3/4 of the original amount. The word has can indicate equals, and then 3/4 of the original amount. Well, the original amount was X, so we want 3/4 of it. Usually I move my variables, the smaller one first, and in this case it would be the 3/4. But because the X is already on the right side, if I move, or the 3/4 X is already on the right side, if I move this way, then I only have to do one step instead of two. So I'm going to do the opposite of what I normally do, just to save time. So I'm going to remove X from this side and from this side, which will leave me with negative 1/4 X over here. These are going to add to 0, and I will be left with negative 39 on this side. Then I can divide by negative 1/4 on both sides, and I will have X equals 156. So she started with $156.